Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to add Visa gift card to People Balance. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to add like a specific or a Visa gift card into your People Balance, there are a few things that you may need to know. Now, the thing with in this case, gift cards here, you will be able to add them as a payment method. Now, if you want to transfer the balance from your Visa gift card to your PayPal account, well, currently PayPal does not allow that. But if you just want to add this as a payment method, well, it's definitely possible. So in this case, you want to go and just go to paypal.com, go to your wallet, go to link a card option here, and from then on, just provide the necessary details. Now from here, just provide the card number, expiration, the CVV for it, and also the billing address. Now once you've done that, go and click on link card. Now, by the way, the linking process here is totally dependent on the provider of the card. And also make sure that the card that you're adding in here is located on the same region where your PayPal card or your PayPal account is. Now, if, for example, if your PayPal account is in Australia, just make sure that the card or the the gift card or Visa gift card that you're adding in here is also from Australia, just to be on the safe side. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.